Introduce highlight features or overview summary for KOITAT Pressurized Steam Cleaner, Handheld Steamer for Cleaning, Multipurpose Portable Upholstery Steamer with Safety Lock. And 10 Accessory Kit to remove grime, grease, and more, save time and effort. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand, and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: Powerful hot steam, KOITAT steam cleaner heats to produce 221 degrees Fahrenheit, or 105 degrees Celsius, high temperature steam to clean oil, dust, and stains. Gives your home a fresh look. Chemical-free and safe, handheld upholstery steamer, 100% chemical-free with no harmful fumes or residue. Includes a safety lock on the handle and a safety cap for added peace of mind for your safety. It can be used with confidence around children and pets. Save time and effort. Portable steamer only needs to heat water to work, without complicated tools and tedious operations. It doesn't even need to be cleaned multiple times, so it's easy to get the cleaning done and gives you more free time. 10-piece accessory set. KOITAT steamer does an amazing job of cleaning and ironing. Plus 10-piece accessory kit such as angled nozzle, bendable extension, nozzle with brush, fabric steamer tool, rubber wiper for window/door, and many other extras. It's all-purpose and can go and clean out any hard-to-reach gaps, corners, angles, and also various surfaces/materials. Kitchen sink, countertop, barbecue grill, toilet, shower curtains, floor, kids' toy, pet mattress, car, sofa, and clothing. Powerful boiler, steamer cleaning heats up quickly in 3 minutes and emits 221 degrees Fahrenheit pressurized powerful hot steam. 1050 watt power, 350 milliliter water tank capacity. 250 milliliter water capacity is recommended to leave some space for normal use, continuous running time of 10 minutes or more. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us, and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.